Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in HSBC account on your PC. HSBC is one of the world's largest banking and financial services institution that serves around millions of customers. To log into HSBC account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type hsbc.co.uk. UK stands for Country Code of United Kingdom. With that, you'll be taken to HSBC's official website. Now here, click on Login option at top right section of the website. Then here you'll be taken to the login page. Now here you need to first enter your username on the given box. After entering your username, click on the option of Remember Me if you want your username to be remembered. Similarly, if you forgot your username, you can click on Forgot Username on down. Similarly, if you are not registered to HSBC Online Banking, then click on Not Registered for Online Banking. After entering your username, click on Continue. After that, your username gets recognized and you need to enter your password of your account. After entering your password, click on Log In, then you'll be logged into your HSBC account. This is how we can log in to HSBC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.